Every process begins at the source.
Raw harvest meets controlled precision.
Nothing unwanted moves ahead.
Safety is filtered before flavor.
Cleanliness is engineered.
Preparation shapes consistency.
Moisture leaves. Control remains. Quality is selected, not assumed.
Human judgment still matters.
Timing defines transformation.
Heat changes everything. Flavor is engineered through motion. The moment aroma is born. Heat is stopped with precision. Taste is layered deliberately. Uniformity is enforced.
Only the approved continue.
Safety checked again.
Accuracy defines trust. Speed meets reliability. Traceability is permanent. Small units become shipments.